welcome back to my channel. This is Model Monday episode 14, and here I have Dragon's 135th scale Waffen SS in Normandy, 1944. So this is an older kit, and it still has pretty good detail that you'd expect with a Dragon kit. And it contains, I believe it was 4 figures in Waffen SS camouflage. I'll be using this on my Normandy diorama. So here are the figures. So usually 5 or 6 piece molds, tools and everything separately molded, ammo, then the helmets have the cloth things over them, so that's for camouflage other than the regular field gray that was put on them. Heads are pretty good detail. And now for the weapons. So it comes with a MG34 bipod closed, ammo, Panzerschreck, or that's a Panzerfaust, K98, MP40, STG44, I believe, Panzerfaust, and another, I can't remember what this one is called. It's the German carbine. If you know, let me know in the comments. Ammo boxes. This one unfortunately has a mold line in it, so either you're going to fill that or just not use it. So it is separately molded, and then the whatchamacallit, ammo box for the MG34. So that is basically it that comes in this kit. As I said, I would be using this in my German armored car diorama, and hopefully I'll have an update on that pretty soon. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.